Hello, today we will guide you through how to make scrolling credits in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app and load the project where you want your scrolling credits to appear. This effect works well for ending credits, contributor lists, or any text you want to move smoothly up the screen in a clean, professional way. Once you're inside CapCut, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Text. This is where you'll create the credit text that will eventually scroll. After that, click on Add to insert a new text layer into your project. Now enter some sample text. This can be your credits, placeholders, or any text you want to test with first. Using sample text is helpful because it lets you preview the scrolling motion before finalizing the wording and formatting. Keep your lines spaced clearly so the credits remain easy to read as they move. Next, click on the text layer in the timeline. This is important because it selects the text object you'll be animating. Once it's selected, go to the top right area of the screen, scroll down, and look for position. The position controls let you change where the text appears on screen, and they're what make the scrolling effect possible. When you find position, click on the small diamond-shaped icon. This adds a keyframe, which tells CapCut to remember the text's starting position. After setting that keyframe, drag the text downward so it sits at the bottom of the screen. This creates the starting point for your credits, making them begin off-screen or near the lower edge for a more natural scroll. Now click on the text clip again in the timeline, but this time move to the end of the text layer. You want to be at the final point where the scrolling motion should finish. With the playhead at the end, drag the text upward to the top of the screen. CapCut will automatically create the movement between the first and last positions, resulting in a smooth upward scroll. That's the full process. Your credits should now move from the bottom of the screen to the top over the duration of the text clip. If you want the scroll to move more slowly, extend the text layer in the timeline before adjusting the final position. A longer clip creates a slower, easier to read credit roll. Preview the motion once or twice to make sure the speed feels right and the text stays readable from start to finish.